The question today in court was, did that crowd get too unruly, or did the officers go too far? Surveillance video captures the moment nearly 2 years ago. A Baton Rouge police officer appears to put his hands around the neck of Daniel Clement in the red before throwing him to the ground outside the Chimes on Highland Road back in December 2014. In court, the officers at the scene said Clement was intoxicated and resisted leaving after a Christmas party at the Varsity got out of control. Clement was facing 2 misdemeanor counts, including disturbing the peace. The judge acquitted him on both.
The state failed to prove that he did a single thing wrong.
Clement's lawyers argued that the officers had overreacted at the scene.
There was one officer in particular that, frankly, lost his cool, lost his temper, and he caused this whole problem.
In the video, Officer Brandon Blackwell, down front, is seen getting out pepper spray before snatching a cell phone out of Clement's hands. Back in 2014, Clement explained he had taken out his phone to record video.
I saw one police officer push somebody, and I've always been told if something like that's going on, it's important to have an objective source of data for what happened.
I believe that some officers, particularly this one particular officer involved in this case, are intimidated by civilians filming them. And I think that was what put him over the edge.
Blackwell told the court today he was simply trying to get Clement's attention. In a statement released right after the incident, Chief Carl Dabadie said he was sending that officer to remedial training on crowd control. We did ask both BRPD and their lawyers at the district attorney's office for comment. They declined. Now, these two sides might be meeting again in court someday soon. Clement has a federal lawsuit against BRPD. That was on hold until after today's court trial wrapped up. Reporting just outside LSU, I'm Kevin Frey, WAFB 9 News. Back to you.
Thank you, Kevin.